Hello everyone, I am here with a game changer tutorial of getting the portrait mode on Redmi Note 4. You can see a few shots of my friend Paninder scrolling on your screen, which is taken by the Redmi Note 4 itself. And without wasting time, let's get started. First of all, you need a custom recovery like WRP, WM, etc. installed on your phone to install the MAGISK Tool Manager. If you already have the MAGISK, feel free to skip the video to 3 minutes 2 seconds of this video. And if you don't have the custom recovery installed in your phone, just search a Google like how to install custom recovery in Redmi Note 4 and you'll get the lots of tutorials out there. You can choose the best of them. Okay, things apart. Initially, download the files from the link in the description and paste it in your internal storage and then reboot the recovery. Remember one thing guys, this mod will work on the Nougat and upcoming versions of the Android only. It may not be work on Marshmallow and Lollipop is for no chance. So, and one more thing, this mod I haven't tried in MIUI, so you guys try and let me know in the comment section below. And to get rid of messing things up, first you need to back up your whole system. To do that, hit on backup. And here system, cache, boot and firmware are automatically selected. So just swipe to back up your system. I'm not going to do this right now because I already have a backup. Now let's install the MAGISK Tool Manager. So head out to install and address your download zip file. If you are using the supersu as your root manager, then you must need to uninstall the supersu first by using the unsu zip file. I have provided the link in the description box below. Just download it and swipe to flash. And now I am swiping to flash the MAGISK Tool Manager. It's flashed up. Now click on wipe cache and Dalvik and then hit on reboot the system. Don't be panic guys, this process will take up to 20 to 30 minutes. Be patient until the whole process is completed. Make sure that you just have the enough charge to make the things run. And now it's booted up. After flashing the MAGISK file successfully, you may not be having the APK. Just manually install the APK from the link in the description. I've already installed, I'm going to open this right now. And this is my MAGISK manager. Now go to modules section in the left side menu. And then hit on plus. And address the download zip file like camera 2 enabler API, something like that. Now address the zip file to that MAGISK manager as a module. I've placed this in the shared folder and here is it. Now hit on OK and it will flash in the MAGISK root manager. Now after flashing, hit on reboot. Okay, it's now booted up. Now let's check whether it is activated or not. Head out to modules and you can see it is like enabled. So now install the GC Mod 5 APK. I have provided the link in the description. Just download the APK from there. So I'm storing in that like in the shared folder apks and gcmod5.apk and here it is. Now install the apk. Okay, now it's installed. Let's open it up. And this is the camera from the Google Pixel phone. Google Pixel phone does consist of the portrait mode by using a single camera. Because Google is rich in algorithms, they use their algorithms to make the background blur when the face is focused. So select the portrait mode from the left side menu. So hit on the portrait mode and you'll get some demo out there for the first time, and hit on got it. And you just need to tap on the face and then make a click, and that's pretty much it. You can make awesome photos like this, like I'm showing. Like these are my pics of my friends, you've already seen them. I'm going to thank my friend Sathi for providing the content for this video, and that's it guys, the tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please do hit like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Bye bye.